Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. We're currently here working on this C wave to the downside in a wave Y of a wave 2 correction. This is playing out quite well. In the last video update, I told you that we're likely going to move towards the 13.3 cent level. This is where we have a small cluster or at least confluence of different support levels. We've got the 123.6 Fibonacci extension of the A wave. That's an ideal target. Now, to be fair, the 100% extension is and was an ideal target. We already reached it, but in the last video we talked about that the move to the upside looks only like a 3-wave move, and we didn't get any break above resistance, so there was a micro resistance area. And if I remember correctly, I said another low would look ideal, so we're doing that right now. Some of the altcoins are, I have to say that, are slightly, we get to very complete looking wave structures, I have to say. Yeah, very complete looking wave structures. Could go down a little bit lower, but I'm just saying, this is now a very complete looking C wave. Could go a little lower, as I said. The area around 13.3 cents is the next area I'm watching. This kind of aligns well also with what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is coming close to the next fib level area around 85 to 86K. So just something to be aware of. And what we obviously need is an impulsive upside reversal from that area. And I'm not saying we form a low there. It's simply an area of interest, the 13.3 cent level. Below, we've got 12.7. And then the area around 11.7 at 11.8 cents, that's the next key area. It's always important to look for areas where different Fibonacci levels align. Like what we see here is a couple of levels that align here around 13.3 cents. And then down there at around 11.7 to 11.8 cents. So we've got a couple of levels there that overlap, that give us some confluence. Basically extension and retracement levels overlapping. Now, technically speaking, this correction obviously can extend further because there is a lot of room. You see that it could technically even easily go down to 8.8 cents, but then it will probably not be in a WXY structure. And so all I'm saying is, yep, we still have a downtrend, a local downtrend. We are dealing with a series of lower lows and lower highs, but this is still looking like a corrective pullback after we obviously had the flash crash, then a recovery, and all of this is corrective, basically range-bound movement. So watching for the potential of an upside reversal now that everybody's so bearish. And this could take the price in a first instance back above 18.1 cents. Then the yellow trend line, which is currently coming in around 20 cents. And a very important level is this one. Very important here, around 21.7 cents. Yeah, this is the level that I've been highlighting since, well, I think since the 10th of October crash. Said from the beginning, we need to get back above that level to even consider that a low of sorts has formed. And the market tried. But you see how relevant that level was because we got rejected there. So we're doing what most of the altcoins are doing right now, holding up quite well, but obviously dealing with a significant correction still in a large range. And this pullback might be nearly done, but the situation in the crypto sector is very difficult. So it can make sense before confirming that a low has formed. It can make sense to wait and watch for an upside reversal signal, like a 5-wave move up above a technical level. And I mean, the earliest signal would come with a break above the last high at 15.2 cents. So yeah, that's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.